YouTube, it's David from C&D Vlogs, and we are actually parked at our local grocery market getting some stuff. And today we're gonna grill some steak, and we're gonna have some
groceries.
Christian doesn't like groceries. Do you like groceries?
I love groceries.
He doesn't like groceries, and yeah.
Guys, so I want to talk about yesterday's vlog. Honestly, I don't really think you care about what I think, but that vlog was probably the most fun I've had making a vlog, editing and doing stuff. It was called Crazy Day in DC, because that's the truth. We did pretty much everything you can in one day. But I had so much fun making that vlog and picking out the music for it. So yeah, it was pretty fun, and I guess I'll just continue on this vlog. It's Saturday afternoon, guys. We're having a grill out, barbecue, whatever you call it. And I'll see you later. See, I say see you later when I end the vlogs, but I'm not ending it right now. I'm just saying see you later, like in another part of the vlog.
What's up? It's David. I thought I'd talk about a movie I saw yesterday. It was called $1 Million Arm. Now this movie, it was unbelievably good. It just blew me away. So the moral of the lesson was, if you believe that you want to do something, you can achieve it.
It was kind of sunny before, not anymore. It's raining. At least I get a chance to use my rain jacket. You may be wondering why I'm outside right now. It's because we were playing soccer and we kicked it into the neighbor's yard, and I have to go get it. So I'm kind of annoyed right now because this is my GoPro Hero 3 White Edition. Yeah, White Edition. And it just will not turn on no matter what I do. I take out the SD, take out the battery, plug in the whatever, charge, and do this and that, and wait for a little bit, and nothing works. So if you have any solutions, be sure to let me know, because I'd love to know, because I could definitely use this in some of my vlogs. And I guess I'll just have to take it into the store and see what's wrong with it. I mean, hopefully they can fix it.
So I actually have some homework to do, so I'm gonna get that done. Basically what I have to do is write down, for science, I have to write down, see how many mirrors we have at home. Some weird science projects, but yeah.
Sunday afternoon, everyone. Christian here, and today you actually get 2 vlogs condensed into one, or 2 days of a vlog condensed into one vlog. So that should be a longer, better video. But right now we're not doing anything as usual, and yeah. You guys remember my procedure that I had done, I think it was last Friday, like a week ago pretty much. So yeah, on Tuesday I am gonna go to get the stitches removed. So I guess I'll vlog before and after, like I did the procedure, and yeah. 2, 3, blow. 1, 2, 3. No hope yet. Come on, it's just not gonna happen. I just don't know what to do with this thing. It won't turn on. I'm gonna end it here. David, I don't know whose turn it is tomorrow, but hopefully one of us will be able to vlog. Probably one of us will be able to vlog tomorrow. If you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm Christian, and I'll see you guys all later.